Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix this display not working problem in your Realme smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if your display is not working problem, how you can fix it? So friends, if there is any internal problem, you have to go to your nearby service center, or if you have 1 year warranty, you can check it up for there, and you can just check it in the settings also. If sometimes your display working, sometimes not, you have to go to the settings and release some of the storage. Like here are the apps, manage apps, delete some of the applications that are not useful. Then you have to just release some of the space, like files, photos, videos, documents from this files by manager, or you can do it from any manager application. Just do it from here. Update your software to the latest version and update your apps also, and then you have to restart your device. And then there is still problem you are facing, then you have to go to your nearby center. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.